Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Honor X6c and the Infinix Hot 60i. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Let's start with the display. The Honor X6c features a 6.61-inch screen, while the Infinix Hot 60i is slightly larger at 6.7 inches. Moving on to display type, Honor X6c uses a TFT LCD panel, while Infinix Hot 60 comes with an IPS LCD display. In terms of resolution, Honor X6c offers 720 by 1604 pixels, and Infinix Hot 60 gives you 720 by 1600 pixels. Quite similar overall. Both phones support a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes animations and scrolling look fluid. On brightness, Honor X6c goes up to 1010 nits, while the Infinix Hot 60i reaches around 700 nits. For protection, Honor X6c is equipped with Gorilla Glass, while Infinix Hot 60i features a standard glass front. Under the hood, both phones run the MediaTek Helio G81, the Honor X6c with the Ultra version, and the Infinix Hot 60i using the Ultimate variant built on 12nm technology. Both feature an octa-core setup, 2 Cortex-A75 cores at 2.0 GHz, but the Infinix Hot 60i has slightly faster efficiency cores at 1.8 GHz. For graphics, both rely on the Mali G52 MC2 GPU, so gaming performance should feel nearly identical. In memory options, Honor X6c offers 6 or 8 GB, while the Infinix Hot 60i gives you more range, 4, 6, or 8 GB. For storage, both come with either 128 or 256 GB of internal space. And yes, both phones support a memory card slot for easy storage expansion. For photography, both feature a 50-megapixel wide main sensor, f1.8 on the Honor X6c, and a wide 50-megapixel lens on the Infinix Hot 60i. Honor X6c adds a QVGA depth sensor, while Infinix Hot 60i includes an auxiliary lens. For rear video, Honor X6c records at 1080p 30 frames per second, while the Infinix Hot 60i can go up to 1440p, along with 1080p at 30 frames per second. On the selfie side, Honor X6c offers a 5-megapixel wide camera, while Infinix Hot 60i steps it up to 8 megapixels. For video recording, both can shoot 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the Infinix Hot 60i can even capture in 2K at 1440p 30 frames per second. In terms of battery, Honor X6c packs a 5,300 mAh cell, while Infinix Hot 60i includes a slightly smaller 5,160 mAh battery. For charging speed, Honor X6c supports 35-watt fast charging, while Infinix Hot 60i is faster with 45 watts. Build quality-wise, Honor X6c has a glass front with plastic back and frame, while Infinix Hot 60i uses a plastic back and frame. Looking at size, Honor X6c measures 164 by 75.6 by 8.4 millimeters, while Infinix Hot 60i is a bit taller at 166 by 76.6 by 7.7 millimeters. In terms of weight, Honor X6c is 199 grams, and Infinix Hot 60i is lighter at 188 grams. Both come with stereo speakers, giving a balanced and loud sound output. For wired audio fans, both Honor X6c and Infinix Hot 60i still include the classic 3.5mm headphone jack. In network support, both phones are 4G LTE capable, no 5G on either model. On connectivity, both offer Wi-Fi 802.11 support for stable wireless performance. Both Honor X6c and Infinix Hot 60i include NFC, great for contactless payments or quick pairing. For security, both phones feature a fast and reliable side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And finally, Honor X6c includes an accelerometer and proximity sensor, while Infinix Hot 60i adds gyro, compass, and virtual proximity sensors. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.